everybody, it's your hospitality friend Glenn here, still at ALIS 2025. Look who I found, Jeff Wagoner, CEO of Outrigger. But first, I want to thank our friends over at Unifocus, unifocus.com, technology that delivers value. Man, it's been so much fun talking to you over the last 20 years, seeing how you're moving the company forward, and you got a lot of exciting things going on. It's kind of blown away. You got this new Cirque du Soleil show out there in Hawaii now.
Unbelievable. Yeah, it's been so much fun to put this together. So over the last year, we've been working on the showroom. We built a 20,000 square foot showroom specifically for Cirque du Soleil.
Or you have to build it specifically for them, right? Because it's such a highly specialized show.
The name of the show is Auana, which is very Hawaiian-centric. And the costuming is by a costume maker in Hawaii. We've had a guy named Aaron Salah, who's a cultural advisor, lead the Cirque.
He's great.
And it's just incredible. This show is amazing. Ran probably 90% occupancy during the month of December, the first month it was open.
So they're really driving business to your rooms by having the show already.
We are, Glenn, but I don't look at it like that. I really look at this as we did this for everybody in the community. You know, this is, as I said, very Hawaiian-centric. All the hotels get to, capitalize on having something like this in the market. So I just love it. The show's been amazing. It's been accepted incredibly well. 35% of all ticket sales are local people. Oh, so not just tourists are going, everybody in Hawaii is going.
And I'm gonna guess they're gonna eat in your restaurants, have a couple of cocktails in the bars, all of that kind of.
Absolutely. There will definitely be revenue impact for us, but the show is fabulous. You need to come out and take a look.
Yeah, I will have to get there at some point. We're also renovating properties still, and you're moving through that. I had the opportunity to stay in Kona just before the renovation, so now I got to see what it looks like, because probably on the other side of it by now.
Kona came out amazing. Really, the property's spectacular. A new Voyager 47, which is our club lounge. We have a new restaurant coming, so we're going to have Dukes there eventually as well. But we also renovated one of our properties in Waikiki. It was the last of our properties that are off beach to be renovated. It was the Ohana East. It's now the Outrigger Waikiki Paradise Hotel, which is our second craft hotel. Came out beautiful.
So when you're going into these types of renovations, you have an opportunity to really reinvent the property. So how are you connecting it to like leisure and modern Hawaii and the experience that people are going to have on site?
Yeah, I think that everything that we do, we try to have some authenticity around it. So this particular property, we said, what's the location? It's across the street from Paradise Park, which is just about a block off the beach. And so that is where we got the name of the Outrigger Waikiki Paradise. So a lot of the art is from local artists as well. And it's just in our DNA to be able to do something that's going to be curated with the kind of the local flair in mind.
Yeah, I love that. When I was at the Waikiki property, I remember seeing so much of the design just really felt of the space, and it really set the scene for those experiences. That fun. Overall, how's the Hawaii market doing? Is Japan travel coming back?
We're still at about 55% of 2019 levels for the Japan travel. So it's still, I think we'll be in the 70% range this year. I don't think we're back at 100% until we get into 2026 and beyond.
At least, and this is not the fault of Hawaii. It's just that the yen versus the dollar is not performing well at all. So it's so much more expensive. So you guys like him are caught in the middle, because Hawaii used to be such a huge place for Japanese travel, and now they can't necessarily afford it, even though us Americans are filling in the gaps, I would say.
Interesting, Glenn. 50% of all the travel that came to Oahu, which is where most of the tourism comes to, was all international travel.
Right.
So you think about after the pandemic and trying to recover from Australia or Canada or Japan. And Japan, as you indicated, we have the currency issue that we're dealing with as well. So it's taking some time, but we feel good about where we're at in Hawaii.
What are you most excited about this year?
Well, I think the full recovery of Hawaii, I think will be happening as we get into the second half of 2025.
Awesome.
It's going to be a great year. We've got one property under letter of intent right now in Thailand, which I'm looking forward to. I'm really close to having that one done, and that would be very exciting to announce. We've got a few other properties we're working on, so it's going to be a great year.
All right, I sense you and I on a walk and talk tour in Thailand.
We're going to be doing it.
Let's go. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. So for Jeff and myself, Glenn, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check my friends out at Unifocus, unifocus.com. Subscribe, like, share this video. See y'all later.